Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some LED headlights and fog lights in my Jeep JLUR. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So these are the ones that I picked off of Amazon. I'll post it in the description down below. The reason why I picked these is because they do have the CAN bus technology built into them, so we shouldn't have any issues when we install them. And like I said, this is the fog light, and this is going to be the headlights, so we could actually see in the dark. So let's go ahead and do that, get this installed. So we're going to want to take off this whole front grille cover. There's going to be 6 of these tabs that I already pulled off. Right there, there, and there. It should be free to pull, like so. Might want to just grab it and kind of do that number right there. And there's 2 pressure ones down here. Then we're just going to rip it forward, and you just kind of work with it, get down here and like so. But I need to put the camera down to get this off real quick. So once you get the grille cover off, you'll have access to the headlights. Like I said, there's 2 little, or sorry, no, there's not 2, but there's actually a few clips you got to take off down here, and they're just like pressure clips. So you just want to pull it forward and then just work it out, and then lift it back forward, and you could pull it right up. So after you get that cover off, we'll go ahead and start taking off these headlights. So it looks like there's a 10, and a 10. So looks like there's 3 10mm bolts holding it in. So that should be pretty simple. We'll go ahead and zip those off and see what it looks like behind. So once you get it pulled off, you know, the 310s, all you got to do is pull it forward a little bit and disconnect that connector. I'm going to go ahead and actually clean this lens off some. I'm just going to use a regular wipe or a towel and get some of these bug juices and stuff off of here. If yours is a little bit dirty, obviously at this time it'd be better to use like one of those lens cover treatment things if you want to go ahead and do that route. But mine's not too bad, so I'm just going to wipe it down, and then we'll install the new light bulb. So I ended up using some glass cleaner to clean off the lens, and I got the lens laying on the towel right now so it doesn't scratch up too bad while it's like this. So I want to go ahead and pull this off. Once you get it pulled off, it looks like we want to pull this tab right here back, and then we'll be able to squeeze this tab right here and pull the connector out. We'll go ahead and do that now. So once you pull this back and push that button, you should be able to lift that up. And this is pretty much just a twist off, and you just pull it right out. If you want to reuse this or give it to someone, just make sure you don't touch the glass or it's just going to burn out faster. But I don't plan to use it. So let's go ahead and install this new LED setup. So let's go grab it. So it looks like in the box they gave you some white gloves. I'm not planning to use them. And they give you all of the, pretty much the filaments and everything that you need. So this is the new connector. So let's go ahead and slap this in. So if your old halogen light still has this on it, or it's there, you want to pull it off, because I guess that was part of that. Having a little bit of issues. This only goes one way. I stuffed the relay thing in there, and just want to go ahead and route it like that. Make sure that this fan is, you know, nothing's blocking the fan. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on and test it. So I actually shoved everything deeper in there because you can't get this cover on with anything in the way. So let's do it again. So here's a side-by-side comparison. You could definitely tell how much brighter the LED is. So right here I'm taking off the fog lights. I lost my audio. So you have to squeeze those 2 tabs, and obviously you could drop the fog light down. Doesn't matter anymore. You have to pull off this cover back here to get to it. So you want to have the new one that I have, the wire sticking up. There's going to be several retainer clips that you have to pull to get that cover to pull off like that. I didn't completely pull it off, but I'll show you here right now what it looks like. You just kind of force it back a little bit, and you just take off the clips around it like so. And then there's a before and after of what it looked like. Yeah, I could definitely tell a difference between the two. I haven't had a chance to adjust the lights yet, so I'm not sure if that's gonna, I'm pretty sure that might make some difference. But yeah, it's definitely a lot brighter. That's for sure. Here's the brights. Oh wow. Brights are really bright. Turn it back to regular.